Oh, this morning we're going to be working on this area. So we've got these areas that are really overgrown. And then you've got a rock wall here near the water catchment system that's kind of beat up. So I'm going to work on that. And then all of this needs to be weeded. And then over here, we're starting a kalo patch. As you can see, there's a few kalo in it now that my daughter planted. But what we want to do is want to put rocks all the way around this and make it into a little garden area. So that's the project today. I'll show you later on what it looks like when we're done. As you can see here, I did get some rocks moved and now this garden is starting to take shape. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm also going to go over here where Susie has started clearing out this area here so we can plant more. We're thinking tea leaf, yeah? Tea leaf here maybe?
Tea leaf.
So she's got a little more work to do on that. This is Katsu. Katsu and Shoyu. They have some babies running around, but they're a little bit older now, so they're not really hanging with them anymore. As soon as we can get here, we're going to make a chicken coop and try and bring him into the chicken coop. Here he goes. There you go. That's Katsu all day long, every day. And now here, I cleared out the rocks in the middle. That's how I moved those rocks over there for the kalo patch. And so I've now planted some tea leaf and some plumeria that I brought over from Oahu. I went through the proper inspections to bring that over. They check it for red ants to make sure you don't bring any diseases over between the islands. But I planted some Song of India, which I would love to grow. And these ones are Stephanotis, they're a white flower. So that's going to be a vine. And eventually what I'd like to do is put some sort of trellis right here. And then the vine will go over the top. And these are our Christmas trees. All right, for now, bye.